A hackathon is a programming contest where the participants have the weekend, 72 hours, to make an application. The name is kind of a misnomer because you're not actually doing any hacking. There are typically for college students, but there's more general ones as well, even companies having their own. There's even remote ones. Usually there's a different categories, and the teams can usually be a maximum of 5 people, but can also be done with one person if you wish. And you don't have to be a computer science major. Usually any major is allowed. When I mentioned categories, I mean, for example, there was one that involves a Raspberry Pi, or another one that's web-based. Sometimes you'll be given an idea of what to make instead, like a program that helps the homeless or helps reduce pollution. There's also volunteers. Of course, students maintaining the place, but also professors and graduates that are there to help answer questions you may have. One of the more unpleasant things is since you're at the school for 72 hours, you usually sleep on the floor, so bring your own hygiene and sleeping supplies. So there'll be a bunch of people everywhere and a good amount of people will still be awake. Also, make sure you keep an eye on your technology. For my first hackathon, I made sure that I was always with my computer because I couldn't afford to lose my laptop. You do get prizes as well. It's usually the teams that get first, second, and third place. Sometimes the prize will be straight up cash money, and sometimes the prize will be something a little less. The cool thing is, for the ones where I've been, you get a bunch of free swag and food is provided. There's also companies that go there, so you can bring your resume and you'll get company swag from them as well, and usually a business card. If you're a college student, especially in the world of STEM, I'd recommend at least going to one. It'd be nice to it'd be a nice thing to put on your resume as well. In other words, it's great for beginners to learn, connect with other students on various colleges, potentially get an internship, or even win some amazing prizes. Another thing that hackathons have are various workshops or even little contests. Could be a workshop on how to use certain hardware, or a contest like some sort of activity bingo. They always vary depending on which college you go to. Absolute worst case scenario is you experience a hackathon and can put it on your resume. Best case scenario, you win a bunch of prizes. Plus, you can always leave whenever you wish. You can find more about local hackathons through your college or at mlh.io. Just type Major League Hacking in Google.